What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Bites and Bakes, where we're whipping up delicious and occasionally burning down the kitchen, but we're not going to talk about that. Today we're making 3 different types of pancakes, because why have one where you can have all 3 of them? And without further ado, let's get right into it. First up, we're making crepes, aka the classy, thin, elegant cousin of regular pancakes. First, we have in a bowl already sieved 200 grams of plain flour. Then we're gonna add 80 grams of granulated sugar, and then crack in 4 eggs. We have it in a separate bowl just to make sure that we don't have any, cracked eggshells in the bowl. Now make sure to give this a good mix and just mix. Okay, so after mixing that, I want you guys to add 40 grams of already melted butter just to help it. Then add a splash of vanilla essence. Then after mixing that, I want you guys to gradually pour in 500 milliliters of milk while stirring it. Just to make sure that there's no lumps in the batter, I want you guys to sift this mixture as much as you can and just spread it out until there's no lumps in the batter. Now we're gonna need a really hot pan for these. The downside is that the crepes are super thin, but the plus side is only takes a few seconds to cook. Okay, so when you start seeing bubbles like this, that's when you know it's time to flip. Now, you can use a spatula like a normal person, but my mother, she's like straight up gangster. That's like all 4 mothers, yeah? They be flipping the pancake with their bare hands. I swear, if she could, she'd be dipping her hands like straight up in a deep fryer, man. Bro, literally, here's a video perfectly representing me in the kitchen versus my mom in the kitchen. Like, bro, she's built different, man.
Is this super hot enough? 5 more minutes.
Alright, now it's time to decorate these pancakes. So you could use whichever flavoring or whichever like fruits or anything you want to use. But today we chose to use some blueberries, some grapes, some strawberries. We got a bit of coconut, whipped cream, and some honey on the side. Plus we got a bit of chocolate, some jam. But whatever suits your taste, just suits our taste. So this is what we're going to be using. See, I think for this one, this looks really nice. Looks nice and simple. You know, something for your kids, for you to be enjoying just in the morning. I think it looks nice.
Nice.
But for this next one here, we tried to be a bit more fancy with it, you know, trying to make it look like them artists, you know, the ones you be seeing on like Instagram or some stuff like that. But it didn't go as planned. I can't lie, we were trying, but look, sometimes in life it doesn't go as planned. Don't be hating down the comments yet, because I know you people be like that. We're always looking, we're always watching. Okay, see, this is what I mean when I said it didn't really turn out the way we were hoping for. But it was supposed to look like this, just as this image is showing right here. But it ended up turning out like this. But, you know, this is the thing. It's always best to keep trying, see how it goes. I thought we might as well show it, because we at least try it. I didn't want to take it away. And, you know, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So now for our second style, we have them rolled up with some melted chocolate in the center. Then we're gonna drizzle even more chocolate on top of it and decorate it with some whipped cream and some pistachios all around for you guys. I think these ones turned out perfect, man. It looks great, it looks delicious, even has that mouth-watering feel, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and now we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so this one's for the kids or any sugar addict that loves sugar out there. It's something I like to call the Leaning Tower of Oreo. Now, when I tell you we didn't put any regular sugar in here, because I believe any more sugar in here will literally make you get knocked down into a coma. Now, drop 2 eggs or into a bowl and then whisk it. Then add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then after mixing it, I want you to put 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt just to make them thick and fluffy. Then add a little bit of vanilla extract. Then add 1 cup of plain flour, but since there's no raising agent in it, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of baking powder just to make sure it rises a little bit. Oreo time. Crush up as many Oreos as your heart desires. See, my mom thought she put in enough, but I low-key disagreed. I wanted her to dump that bowl of Oreos right in that bowl, but she was like, nah, let me just put a little bit more for you just to make me happy. But I low-key say, just dump as much Oreo as you want, man. Alright, now it's time to cook it up. So first I want to say, you want to make sure to cook 2 at a time and make sure to put it on low heat, because oh boy, I tell you, we learned that the hard way. Yes, we did, and you're going to see later on the video what I mean by that. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, when bubbles start appearing at the top and then when it's nice and crispy and golden at the bottom, that's when you know it's time to flip it. Alright, so as you can see, this is what I meant when I say we learned our lesson. They're proper burnt, but you know, we're gonna hide them. That's our little secret. We're gonna put them at the bottom and just no one's gonna know us, and we're gonna put the good ones at the top. Alright, so for this leading tower or Oreos, we're gonna put a couple layers on it, and for each layer we're gonna put some chocolate spread and then some crushed Oreos, and then at the end of it we're gonna put some whipped cream and then some drizzle of honey and chocolate. And then boom, there you have it, guys. We got the leading tower of Oreos that'll put you right in that diabetic coma that you're looking for. And after saying that, we're gonna call it a wrap for today. We have 3 different styles of pancakes that suit your every mood, whether you're feeling fancy, chocolatey, or straight up chaotic. If you enjoyed this video, just make sure to don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Take care and peace.